There. How are you? So, I'm here visiting you because we already miss you in the condo. Wow, EOP. So, EOP means English only policy. We will talk in English only, okay? So today, I'm going to give you my advanced Mother's Day gift. Are you excited? Excited? Are you excited? Excited? So I have a gift for you. I have a gift for you. Do you want to have it? Do you want to see it? Yes. Oh, so beautiful. Wow, you look more beautiful than me. Alright, so here's the gift. Open it. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Meow. Wow. Nike.
Where is the
Opener. That's original.
What is it?
No, you can just open it. Yeah. So that's just for your going to the grocery store.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Beautiful. Nike. So that's size 7. So that means that it fits. So Nike. So this is not sponsored. So what will you say, Mother?
Thank you, my daughter.
So I bought it and I have a card for you.
Thank you for this beautiful slippers.
Oh, sosyal.
Wow.
Sana all my Nike slippers. So do you want to try it?
Yes.
Okay. Bago bang pedicure ang paa nyo? Para yung... Oh, so we're speaking in Tagalog. We should speak in English. No, don't remove that yet. So you can just try it. So no pedicure yet. So that when you have your pedicure, so it looks good and so does it fit?
It's okay.
Wow. So can you try it? Just try to walk. It's
Yeah.
very soft. Wow, legs. So I still have a card for you. But I'm going to read it first, okay? So I'll read this. Can you remove the envelope? Alright. Pinaka. Wow. Pinaka. No, look at that. Wow.
Wow.
So here's what it says. May 2023. Dearest Mother, para sa akin, kayo lang, Nay, ang pinakamabait, pinakamasipag, pinakamatulungin, pinakamatiisin, pinakamahusay at higit sa lahat, pinakamamahal na nanay. Maligayang araw ng mga ina. Mariah. I love you so much. So much. Ha? Sorry, I forgot to put the verse, but that's I mean, you're the best, Mom. Proverbs 31. Alright, so, what can you say? What can you say about it?
Thank you very much.
Were you touched? Were you touched? Touched.
Touch.
Did I touch your heart?
Yeah. I
Oh,
touch my heart and I feel
love.
I feel love for you and
Love for you. Oh, you're so beautiful.
thank you, Lord. God is so good because you are loving your mother and you are so kind.
Oh. I love you, mother. Mwah, mwah.
Love you,
Look at me.
Mama.
Parang ang haba ng leg ko dito. Ay, nang baba ko dito. Alright. Alright. Alright, mother. I love you. You're so beautiful. Wow. Bye.
God gives you a beautiful gift.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mother's Day. What can you say to your children?
Thank you, Ama. Your loving kindness and faithfulness to your mother.
Wow. Ganda-ganda ni Medir.
Ang ngipin ko ka.